sibuyas, onion, allium, sepa, bawang, garlic, allium, sativum, pipino, cucumber, Cucumis sativus, and sili, sweet pepper, capsicum ano, and sili labuyo, chili pepper, and capsicum, fruit essence, repolyo, cabbage, versus Chinese, niyog, coconut, cocos misopera, mani, peanut, arachis hypogae, kamote, tomato, sweet potato, ipomeya, patatas, and the last is labong, bamboo shoots, and bambus espinosa, soha, pomelo, citrus grandis, melon, cucumis melon, pakuan, watermelon, citrus vulgaris, avocado, Persea bayabas, guava, Psyllium guava, sampalok, tamarin indicus, saging, banana, musa sapentum, santol, cotton fruit, sanduricum.